how's it going? So, like I said, I'm gonna make a karambit or get started on a karambit. I need to do some knife making. I like the disc grinder and making it all, but I really miss making a knife. It's been too long. I'll show you what I made. I drew up. Here we go. Started off. Well, once I put it in the Photoshop, it came out like that. But that's too big, so I shrunk it down a little bit. And I'll probably change it. What I mainly want to focus on is get this hole done, and then we can kind of work the rest out. I'll probably change the jimping here. I might straighten this blade out a little bit. I don't know if I like that big curve on it. We'll see. And this back, we'll see how this back goes. I'm not sure how I feel about that either. But let's get it started. I found some pieces of 52-100. You can always tell a 52-100 because it's got that grain, that weird grain in it. Like, see, 1095, see how smooth it is? Even my friend's 01, it's all nice, and same with W2, it's all nice tool steel. 51, we'll get to this sometime. I drew that up, but I don't know how I want to do a hidden tang knife. You know, big old Bowie like this with a hidden tang, but that's for later days. I just want to make a quick knife, get it started at least. Alright, where are we at? Get that sticky icky. You know, that's one thing, I don't smoke weed, but all the people doing that sticky icky and dabs and all that stuff makes it seem so much fun. And then I'll find someone and I'll take one hit and I'll be paranoid out of my mind and be like, why did I do this? Yeah, you know you're old and you can't smoke weed anymore. No, I haven't smoked weed for years. Anyway, that's another topic. Let's get this cut out. First I'm going to do this hole. I want to see how the hole comes out. So let me break out the hole saw again. We're going to hole saw this. Like I said, we want it smaller. In fact, that looks too big. That might be it right there. We'll start with this. That way, once I know I got the hole right, I can cut everything else out. Yes, I'm backwards and I do everything backwards. Can't help it. To the drill press. Got my 1, 2, 3 blocks. Got this all lined up. Hopefully. Got my drill press thing ready to go if it spins out of control. Got my burnt fingers. Alright. Voila! In all fairness, this is 3/16 metal, so back to the table. So I had to draw, it looks like this moved up a little bit. So I'll just cut this big. I think I might even put some jimping on the back here. So we'll try this out and see how it looks. Like I said before, you always want to make it bigger because you can always make it smaller. But you can't stretch it. To the bandsaw. If I yell, it's because I got ear protection on. Let's do this. That's one thing you would never do with stainless, make that curve. Especially with 3/16. Yeah. Well, at least we got something we can make a blade out of this. I've been wanting to make a head knife or a round knife for that leather. So this would probably work great. I was thinking even weld something to it. So. pretty rough grind, but it feels pretty good. Yeah, fits right in the hand like that. I didn't want to bring this down till I see what I'm working with. I guess I'll just grind in the rest. Back to the desk. I went ahead and took some of these cone drills and chamfered out in here so it's nice and smooth. So let's go ahead and try to figure out how to use one of these things. It feels good so far, it's not even shaped, so. Alright, let's go to the grinder. I'm going to put it on the KMG and just grind all this in. And then we'll go from there. Alright, so check it out. We got the reverse switch in. The only problem is the tracking's all messed up. So far, I've got it to here where I put this piece in. It seems to be holding pretty good. And I can get it that far over. If I don't have that piece in, it pulls it down and comes flying off the thing. So a little bit more tuning and we have it. Alright, let's get to this karambit. Alright, so I'm just going to get this rounded off, basically honed in. See, I want to kind of have like a deal with like some jimping on the back here too. So I'll just cut what I can and then we'll move over to the horizontal. Alright, let's do this. Alright, well I think the rest we're going to have to do on the horizontal, but this is why you got to make a few templates, but I mean I basically got the shape I want now. I guess that's what a karambit's supposed to feel like. It feels good. Right? I just have to make that blunt so you can put your thumb up against it. Round it off more so it won't stick into your thumb. Alright, let's go to the horizontal. Alright, let's get this taken out. I think I'm going to cut this corner off right here and this one off right here. I'll be back. Alright, let's see if that helps. Just took it off right here, a little bit here, that way we'll have this sticking up. That's kind of a butt. Alright, looks like I'm gonna need a smaller wheel for here. Alright, here we go. That's the problem with these small little wheels. It's hard to get them to work right. The little ones. Actually, that worked out even better. Thumb fits right up in there. There's no sharp point. Yeah. Now let's just get this choil. Yeehaw! One time. Guess the belt didn't like that one either. Yeah, man, these little guys are hard. But I think we got it. I think we got it. There she is. Yeah. So there. Let me get some jimping and yeah, we'll see where we're at. That belt broke just in time, huh? So, I think that's it for now. This is the heat treat video. I think I'm just gonna make 2 small videos and then we'll see what we got. Then we'll get back to the disc grinder. Thanks for watching. I appreciate everyone's support. It really means a lot. I hope you really enjoyed these videos. I really do like making these videos. Making knives and making videos. I take a lot of enjoyment, so I hope sharing it with you does the same and you can start making your own knives and do your own kind of work and stuff. Please like, comment, subscribe, click the little bell thing. And as always, take it easy.